We'll guide you through how to fix the issue of your Gmail messages being blocked. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Gmail account on your desktop and click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Then, select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here, you'll want to check if you've accidentally created any filters that might be blocking emails. Look through the filters, and if you find any that shouldn't be there, click on Delete next to them. Next, switch to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab to ensure your forwarding settings aren't causing any issues. Disable any forwarding settings if you're unsure about them. Now, click over to the Accounts and Import tab to make sure your email address is correct and hasn't been altered. If everything seems fine here, but you're still having trouble, you might need to check if your email is marked as spam. Go to the spam folder and look for any emails that shouldn't be there. If you find any, right-click and select Not Spam to move them back to your inbox. Also, check if your Gmail account is up to date with Google's security recommendations. Sometimes, security settings can inadvertently block emails. Finally, if you're still experiencing issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies, as this can help refresh your session and fix any lingering problems. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.